Yes! Hello, how are you doing, guys? Uncle Jesse here. Welcome back to my channel, and a very good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending from where you're watching me from. Thank you so much for the returning subscribers. And if you're new to my channel, welcome back, and consider liking, subscribing, sharing, and even leaving a sweet comment to my channel. Thank you so much, guys. Today, I just want to say thank you, thank you, thank you. And the title of my video today will be Another Day in Paradise. Why? Come along. Let me show you what I mean. So, guys, currently, when I wake up in the morning, I usually take a morning walk and a morning routine to just do like a video of gratitude and to just talk to God and have some alone time and, an easy time with God, and just to appreciate nature and my body and everything working perfectly well. So we lost one of our YouTubers just this week, and it was so unfortunate. That we lost a good friend of ours. Yeah, so guys, I like to take this morning walk, and today I am inviting you to come and join me to take this morning walk. It's usually a very calming walk, and I normally take this route, and just walk with me. Watch the video until the end, and I hope you guys will listen to the nature and the nature sounds and the calm, how calm it is, and I'll show you guys step by step from the point where I enter to the point where I go back at home. So come join me, and I hope this video will help you relax, calm down your spirit, calm down your thoughts, calm down your minds. You can watch it over and over and over again. I have no problem of you rewatching my videos as many times as you want. So guys, I normally take this walk and watch, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a sweet comment below. Let me know if you want more of these videos, because I know how much they help me to calm my mind, because sometimes I overthink, honestly. Sometimes I overthink on how to do things, and sometimes I usually just have my gut instinct when I want to do something, and my mind is calm, it's sharper, and I act quickly and I act faster. So this is the morning routine I usually do to help my mind relax and to help my mind calm down. So it's just a walk, and I do my prayers when I'm walking. Sometimes I just quiet my mind. Sometimes I just listen to the trees. All the trees, I just listen to them. Sometimes I just listen to the birds. I just take it nice and easy, yeah, before I get down to some serious business. So come, join me, walk with me, and just relax your mind for a few minutes, right? Watch the video till the end, and see you in a few minutes. So guys, I just changed the camera, and let's walk. Shikamoo. Salama. So fam, when I tell you like peace of mind, this is what I mean. Like I take this walk every morning. I go down that way and then I come back this way. Let me just show you. Like that's the route for the morning walks when I'm doing my plan for the day, and this is what I do after I leave the house. No horns, no cars, no motorbikes. Like this is what you get when you decide to go after your dreams and live below your means, but trying to make things happen somehow, some way. But I can't stress any more like about the peace of mind you're getting from here. Just trees, nature, and just going back to a quiet mind. Yeah, so this is the road. That's where I'm staying. If you can see, I read Mabati. That's where I'm staying. It's a semi-permanent house, and I'll show you guys the interior. But right now it's a little bit shady. I'll show you some time. And I'm really living below my means, if you know what I mean, right? See how green it is? See how green it is? So basically that's where I'm staying. But they're still doing a construction, but their houses at the sides in there, the semi-permanent houses. That's our neighbor. Our neighbor has like 7 kids. You can imagine. The place is quite, it's a buzz of activity. But that's where I'm currently staying. Yeah. The house at 10K, I haven't moved in yet. I'm being hosted at my friend's place. But once I get some support, then I can make the move. A really basic move, you know what I mean? God bless you. I love you all. So guys, at this point, they were playing music. So I had to put some calming music because somebody just decided to play loud music. And because of copyright issues, I had to play some music over it. But I just have to calm down, and I had to cut the music at this point. So thank you so much for understanding, but continue enjoying the walk with me. This place smells so nice. It smells like medicine. You know, trees are medicine.
I begin to